I just put up a video talking about that box Chevy, but hey, somebody called me and told me I gotta bring them a certain piece to finish out something, so I gotta go on and get it. Yeah, buddy, so I'm just showing you up here with these LS motors. Junkyard road, man. Same the road I need to be in, but grab what I gotta grab so I get up out of here, man. Hey, what up, YouTube? I'm back with y'all again, man. Let me stop playing with you. Well, I ain't playing with you but as far as this Chevy, man. As far as the Chevy. It's on hold for a hot second, just a hot second. I'll be back on it in a couple months. I got my motor in the shop. Not getting into details with that, none of that. But it's on hold. First thing I'm doing is going to the emissions or whatever, so I can go and get this truck up out of here and put it back in the driveway. Like I said, Lansing police, they be tripping, man. They be all in my driveway with the cars facing the garage, late night, putting tickets on it. They ain't putting no ticket for the license plate because the license plate expired March 1st, but talking about city sticker, and it got a city sticker, it's not even registered to where I stay at now. It's registered to my old address, and the sticker's still valid. So we fighting that in court. Let me see, and this Village Hall is closed, but they was messing with my wife car, so we parked that behind here. She still drive it every day, but you know, we just parked it back here because they ain't got no Village sticker, and they closed, so parked it back here, so they stopped messing with it, because we usually have it in a driveway facing just like my truck facing. They stop mine and not bother nobody. Put a ticket on there, knowing damn well they can't see if it got a sticker on or not, a city sticker, village sticker, whatever. It's crazy. Mine don't even have a village sticker, well, not this village, and they don't even mess with it. But enough about that. As y'all can see, got the headlights out, got the halos ran. I mean, not ran, well, they ran, but I gotta run it. I changed the, I'm gonna show y'all what I had to do, because that thing, the halos, they on that remote, so you gotta make that sensor able to relate, you know, the remote, and you see that sensor, and the wires that they gave you, it's not long enough, nowhere near, for that sensor. It is for the lights, but not the sensor. So got that out. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all that though, but cut y'all right back on. Had to make a junkyard run, grab some stuff for my boy, his lacrosse. Make this I can't even make this no long video. If Harmony come outside, and yeah. Harmony says she going live on my channel tonight, so y'all stay tuned for her. She got some words for y'all. Look. Okay, I'm back with y'all, man. Now check this out. I went to the junkyard just to be looking for some more lights and all that. But when I ain't find none, mind you, I didn't find none in there. They had a couple trucks, newer trucks that came in. None in there. The handle was in there. That was the main thing. I had to get something else for this motor. Not this motor, but the other motor. So end up walking out. As soon as I walked out, boom, see somebody towing an avalanche in. Like, hey man, the whole front end was gone. I said, I'm just saying something like, man, look, hey, y'all ain't got them park lights, do y'all? They're like, yeah, and the headlights. I said, man, how much y'all want? He was like, how much you got? I said, man, I give you $15. He was like, I was talking about for the park lights. So he was like, all right. I was like, I'm gonna be on that other side. The man came and gave me all the lights. He's like, man, give me 20. You got park lights. I was like, well, shit, let me get the dash too. I mean, the dash cluster. He's like, all right, 20 bucks. Boom. So, got an extra pair. Park lights, headlights, dash cluster. It's on the LED, this dash cluster. Only thing I gotta change on this dash cluster is plenty to change, but y'all can see that one. Mine is a north face, so I'm figuring that little thing comes out and I'm just gonna put it over there and change. I just noticed that that's white, so yeah, I'm gonna change that white too. I'm gonna put all that little panel thing back on back on it, but I'll open this up, solder them LED lights up in there, call it a day. So now I got an extra pair. Like I said, man, I'm about to start trying to do headlights. I got my boy Lucerne, 2008, I think he got. I gotta get one more headlight for him, and I'm gonna do his, and then I'm gonna do my wife's lacrosse too. But I can find their headlights all day easy. But I'm just waiting on my little kits to come. So yeah, just keep me up posted, man. Might as well do this too now, cause somebody asked me, was this a double den, single den? It's a double, but it's a 10.1. This whole, I got it unclamped because I only got one hand. Like, you take this whole thing off, it unsnaps from here. You take this in the house if you want to and do whatever. I got the little GPS thing. I don't need a GPS thing because it's a tablet. You know what I'm saying? So got that. Like I was telling y'all before, I just had this flash drive, so I just threw it on there. I got that 1 terabyte hooked up. So anything I download or whatever, it don't go to the radio. It goes to the radio itself is a 2 gig, so that's what's up. Then, you know, I got the remote. I got the mic hooked up. Oh, damn, I can't even. Okay, this I wanted to show y'all. All right, fire some halo lights. How I'm gonna do mine, man. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right here. Steering wheel control. Cause I ain't got steering wheel controls, but you got wires on the back of here for it. So, you know, you'll hit that. And this is what I was telling y'all. I don't know if y'all remember. Like, you could set, like, if I start this, I could tell the screen or those buttons when I hit steering wheel control what to do. So I'm gonna figure out like what color, you know, power be green, answer be white, you know, whatever, volume up, volume down, mute, mode, whatever button you want. That's what them wires that tell it, as long as you got it hooked up right. So I'm gonna try to do that so I can lose that other remote. So I wanted to show y'all that, man. But yeah, that's about it, man. That's about it. Shut down. I was downloading something, but yeah. All right then. Okay, and this is that Halo box. The power cord is still in the car. But these plug into the Halo rings itself, and then the sensor, which is right here. It was about as short as this, so cut it open. It's only 3 wires. Matter of fact, the wires are red, blue, and black. So I had some red, blue, and black wire. I just ran it, you know, tapped into them, and I heat shrinked them, then put hot glue on top of that, then put the tape on it, and made it longer, so I can put it where I want it. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all, man. See, this is, I don't know if it's gonna focus. focus for y'all, so I just took a picture, I guess. Yeah, but just want to show you.